Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Clara Zila and I do videos on luxury and fashion items. So today I have a very exciting unboxing from the Chanel 20C collection. Here is the packaging, and as you can see, it does have the Christmas packaging with the black camellia and the blue and gold lettering. You can see that up close, and it comes in this very big bag and box. So I'm going to unbox for you what I picked up from the Chanel 20C collection. So, can you guess what this is? I'm going to unwrap it here for you so you can see. So this is the Chanel 20C mini backpack. And if you are familiar with the Chanel vintage backpack, you'll notice that it looks extremely similar to the Chanel vintage backpack. So this is in the black caviar with the gold hardware. I did see that this also comes in white, which was absolutely gorgeous. They had it in red, blue, and apparently there was pink. And I also saw in some of the catalogs that they have a multicolor one. So it's kind of like got a couple of colors like a blue, red, and pink or green, but I chose the plain one because I think this is the most versatile one, and this is very vintage looking. If you've seen any pictures of the old Chanel mini backpacks, believe it or not, they are going for, if not the same price, then even more expensive than the newer ones. So, which is why I got this one. As much as I like the vintage one, I think that at least with getting this from the Chanel boutique, I know it's absolutely brand new and I also know it's authentic. The thing with shopping for vintage is you really need to know what you're looking for, because you never know if what you're picking up is authentic or not. So this came out in the 20C collection. I did not see it on the website. How I knew about this backpack was that I saw a couple of Instagrammers posting this on the website, and I had to go to actually not one, but I had to go to about 3 different Chanel stores before I actually found this backpack because it was really that hot. So because I'm posting this video now and I don't think I've seen too many Chanel 20C backpacks posted on YouTube or even Instagram yet, you might, if you're lucky, be able to pick up one of these. And if you prefer another color, I know white is gorgeous, although I don't dare to use white just because it's really easy to get dirty. And then they also have it in the blue and also in the red in the caviar. So here is the front. It's got the turn lock CC at the top here, and then this one is a magnetic closure, so you can slip like some cards in here if you wanted to. And then this opens like the Chanel CC turn lock, and then it's got this pull tab and it's got Chanel written on there. And then if I remove all the stuffing, the interior is got the fabric lining. It says Chanel at the back, and this one is made in Italy. I don't know if you can see that. And then inside it's got a key holder or with a lobster clasp. And then it's also got a back hidden slip pocket here, and that seems to go halfway down the bag. And obviously it comes with the authenticity card, and this one is in the 29 series. So that is the front. And also to note is the card holder here, it has a little bit of a slip pocket here, so you could put in another card in here. I'm just gonna take out one of my business cards and let's see if that fits. It does fit, so you could slip in some cards in there, or you could even slip in cards in this area here. So something to note is that there is no back pocket, which is a little disappointing. However, I guess that's okay because you have the card holder here and a slip pocket here, so I guess it kind of makes up for it. I'm just going to undo the chains here so that you can see what they look like. So you can see that this backpack has the leather intertwined golden chains through here, and then at the bottom it does have the adjustable leather strap down here. This is what the bottom looks like. There are no feet. And compared to the vintage one, another difference is that it has this top handle, which is really good because you can wear this on the crook of your arm. So a major difference between this one and the vintage one is that the vintage one will have the larger gold CC logos. It also has no top handle, and I think the chains look thicker from the pictures. So those are some of the main differences, and the vintage one I believe has a tie instead of this drawstring pull tab here. It is a tie that you need to tie yourself. So this is the vintage, I'm gonna call it double CC backpack. I can't seem to find this backpack on the website, so I'm just going to call it the double CC backpack that is based on the original vintage design. So here you have it. This is the Chanel 20C backpack. It is a remake of the vintage backpack. This is how it looks like. I'm just gonna put this on for you so you can kind of see what it looks like on me. So if I were to carry this on the front, this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna swing it around to the back. And I don't know if you can see that. So that's what it looks like on me from the back. I'll try to insert a photo of a picture I took when I was in the store so you can see what it looks like on my back. And obviously I think there are some pictures already on Instagram showing this bag. However, this bag is absolutely gorgeous. I love the vintage feel, and if you can get your hands on this bag, I really highly recommend it. I have a feeling this does fit quite a bit. If I count the quilts, there are about 4 along the top, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 7, 6 to 7 quilts along the bottom, which is similar, I think, to the vintage bag. So maybe in another video, I'll do a more full review on the measurements, some initial thoughts, and what fits in this bag. But I really just wanted to post this video first just to show you my brand new Chanel mini backpack. I have a feeling I'll be able to get a lot of use out of it, and I'm really excited to use this bag. So I hope that you have enjoyed this unboxing, and if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to put them down below, and I'll try to do first impressions on this backpack after I've used it for a couple of days. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I wish you a very nice day, and thank you again for watching. Have a fantastic day, and hope to see you again soon. Bye now.